defending the enterprise by auditing potential scapegoat accounts with LT Auditor +9 for Windows. For this session, we will be working with the Windows Server, Workstation, and Active Directory arms of LT Auditor +9 for Windows. A scapegoat account is an account which would normally not be monitored, but could be hijacked to perform an attack on the network. Potential scapegoat accounts include Windows utility accounts, such as the administrator or guest accounts. But they are often application accounts used for third-party applications which provide services like system backups or telecom functionality. These accounts often have administrator or even superuser rights. Preventative measures may be taken, such as ensuring that all local administrator and guest accounts are disabled. For application accounts, defining the login hours and limiting which machines the account may access provides some protection. But the concept of insider threat assumes that all users are a threat at some level, even the most privileged and trusted users. With that in mind, we'll need to monitor for unauthorized changes to configuration files and user accounts. Specifically, we will need to audit all changes to the superuser accounts within Active Directory, sending a real-time alert when a change is detected. We'll also watch for login attempts which are outside the normal parameters set for the account. And finally, we'll audit any file activity detected on computers outside the normal parameters set for the account. I've already set up some basic filters, so let's take a look at them. Our first filter is in the Active Directory subsystem of our domain controller group. On the Active Directory tab, I have set the filter to only monitor my backup account, which is called Veritas. I've selected all nodes and users and configured the SMTP alert to be sent in the event someone attempts to modify the settings to the account. Our other filters for this session are in the Logon Server Auditing subsystem. The first is an include filter to monitor login attempts for the Veritas account. We only want to see if the account attempts to log into servers or workstations it shouldn't be trying to access. The filter will monitor all operations, but only on the backup account. It will monitor all nodes and alert us when there is a login attempt. In order to only see the login activity on computers where the account shouldn't be, we will need to remove the permissible logins with an exclusion filter. I'll set the Operations tab to all, and exclude only the data from the Veritas user when it occurs on the 10.0.4.76 node of my network. I can then apply these filters to other groups using copy and paste. Now, if my backup account violates its time and workstation settings, a real-time alert will be sent. This alert tells us that there was an attempt to access a machine it is not allowed to access. And here's an alert showing an after-hours login attempt. Let's look at the report which contains these failed login attempts. Like the real-time alerts, LT Auditor's reports provide all of the details. Who performed the activity, what activity was performed, from where the attempt was made, and when the event occurred, and in this case, why the event failed. And as shown in our next report, in the event the account settings are modified, we will see similar details illustrating the changes made to the account. LT Auditor +9 for Windows provides a bulletproof audit trail with real-time alerting for critical events and scheduled, customizable reports. To order LT Auditor +9 for Windows or for more information, call 800-856-2583 or visit bluelance.com.